So this is the Noise Colorfit Pro 3 smartwatch, and first impressions, the watch looks and feels pretty durable. It looks really neat and the square dial gives a really premium feel. The straps fit comfortably onto my hand and I didn't feel any sort of discomfort or irritation even after wearing it for long hours. The display here is a complete high definition display with 3 levels of brightness so that the screen is visible even under the bright sun as well. The watch looks really premium onto the hand, and by premium don't start comparing it to the likes of the Apple Watch. Look, for 4000 rupees this is a really good package. And why I say that is because even I've spent my money on it. The watch is built really well and is not heavy as well. You can connect the watch to your phone via the NoiseFit application, after which you can customize your watch with a number of watch faces in the app. And you can also mess around with the different settings to suit your needs. The watch basically functions as a fitness band, hence it has all the basic features such as step tracking, calorie count, distance covered and other normal features as well. It also has a number of different sport modes ranging from the regular running or jogging to even sports like cricket, workout, hiking or even yoga. It also has a sport mode for swimming, which gives you the idea that the watch is water resistant as well. So you could wear it during a nice swim in the pool at legitimate depths in the water. I've had these workout features turned on while I go to sleep, if that makes any sense. On the back of the dial you can see a number of different sensors. It has the heart rate monitor, which as per me is pretty accurate and works just solid. There's also an additional SpO2 meter which measures the blood oxygen level, something which is really required during these testing times. Speaking of which, do check your oxygen levels each day just to make sure you're healthy enough. And also there is an extra stress meter in the watch which apparently checks if you're worrying too much about things in life. So to test it, I checked my stress levels just before I gave an exam, and surprisingly it showed that I was too tired. And I again checked it later after the exam and it showed that everything was just normal. It also keeps a track of your sleep levels and gives an overall result of the quality of sleep you had during the night. Something which I would recommend you all to try out, as it looks pretty accurate to me. So again, while the watch is connected to your phone, you can choose to get notifications from different applications, be it WhatsApp, Instagram or even notifications of your SMSs as well. This in my opinion is a really handy feature because I get to see all the messages on my watch itself. So I don't need to go and pick up my phone unnecessarily and get distracted while I work on something. The notifications are clear to the eye and are pretty readable, unlike other smartwatches which just mess things up. Speaking of which, you can also pick up or hang up calls through your watch itself, something which has been really helpful to me throughout these past few days. You can also control the music playing on your phone pretty much entirely through the watch itself, through this mini control panel on the watch. It's really useful if you're a person who listens to music while you work out. I don't really work out, so that was never an option for me. So overall, I can say that the watch does a pretty good job at making things hands-free for you. The only downside which I noticed is that the watch isn't that responsive or quick to touch. There is a slight lag, but yes, this is a small issue which can be resolved with a software update. So yes, it shouldn't be that much of a problem, and it's just a minor issue after all. Okay, so if I had to sum things up, this watch is a great alternative to the luxury options out there in the market. If you don't intend on spending so much on smartwatches, then this watch is just for you. The display is colorful, there are a plethora of features, the build is good, and all this you get for a reasonable price. So this pretty much sums up everything for this video. Hope this video was of some help, and if it was, then please subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone you know. Until then, it's a goodbye and please stay safe.